What's up, guys? This hike is going to be a little different than what I usually do. It's not necessarily super informational. It's more of like just a kind of a vlog of our trip last year up to Mount Arkansas. I wasn't originally going to release this video, but I thought, why not? I was hoping to get back to the Arkansas this year and make a full video, but maybe 2021 is the better year to get after it. So I hope you enjoy the video. Good morning. We are right outside of Fremont Pass here in Colorado. It's spring, and today we're going to be hiking Mount Arkansas. The plan for today is to hopefully go up the North Couloir and then have a descent down the same line. It's kind of blind to us right now, and some of the snow in the area looks pretty thin, so we'll see how it looks once we get closer, but that's the plan. Right from the parking area, which is behind me here, you can see the route to hike up Mount Arkansas. So for the winter Couloir ascent, you're going to follow this four-wheel drive mining road essentially around this corner here, and you'll have your route in view from there. The hike up Mount Arkansas, or Skin, or Couloir ascent is about 1,600 feet and about 6 miles from the parking area here. So in front of us, you got Mount Democrat, and then 13er/Centennial Buckskin is right around the corner as well. And up there is Mount Arkansas. Beautiful morning so far. Temps are mild, winds are non-existent. A little sweaty. Holy crap. So just continuing back, kind of following these power lines down here. All that drone footage was beautiful and all, but we missed our turn. So right where I started filming, we're actually supposed to go around there and then up this way. So we're gonna kind of get back on track and just kind of go straight up that way. Okay, back on track now after a little detour. It's not looking very likely that we're gonna be able to summit, but we're gonna go head up to the Couloir and check it out anyway. But basically, from kind of back there, so where the trees kind of end, you kind of want to make your way up this first slope here to put yourself in the right position. You can see the guys ahead of me, and we're breaking track up this, which is not really super fun, especially for me on snowshoes. All right, this is the Arkansas Basin, and that is the summit of Mount Arkansas. This is the North Couloir. You can see someone's made tracks across, and then you go up right there. Beautiful up here. A quick note about the Arkansas North Couloir. Best time to hit it is April, May. It does last pretty long into the season because it's protected from the sun and wind quite a bit, but this is the time of year most people recommend, because after this it will start to melt out quite a bit and not be as enjoyable. Some days just don't go as planned, just multiple variables. Just kind of, we didn't have enough time, didn't start early, got a little off track. So we bailed on the Couloir that we originally wanted. Found some nice powdery looking slopes down here. So the Couloir is up there. We saw a couple of people drop in. It looks awesome. There is a big cornice, so if you plan on doing this, your exit is gonna be the left side, which you can't really see here. And that's gonna be your toughest move of the day. It is a sustained 45 to 50 degree route, and it's about 700 feet. So it's quite a fun line. It's a classic according to many, but hopefully we'll be back and to tackle it. But for now, just gonna head up here and get some nice turns in. Just walking because snowboarders get the shit out of the stick. But pretty fun time up there, and yeah, definitely got to get back out here and hit that couloir the proper way, because it's pretty awesome looking, honestly.